So, you want to play Sethbling's Randomizer pack for Minecraft, but you don't know how to install it. Well, there are two very quick and very easy ways to install it that a lot of you don't actually know. And yes, I did a video on this in the past for version 14, but we're now in version 16, as you can see in the top left corner. We're in 16, so, you know, maybe some things have changed. And some things have changed. So, I'm gonna just real quick show you the most easy way. Just create a new world. It doesn't matter the name of it, I'll just do Randomizer here. Random, just do that, okay. Then you see this thing called data packs, click on it, okay. But what if you don't have the data pack yet? You have to download it. Well, go to this website that's going to be in the link down below, or you can type this out yourself in the bar, whichever you prefer to do. Some people prefer to type it out themselves because they don't trust my links. Whatever. And then, you know, you select your Minecraft version. You can do 16, 15, 14, or 13. I did not mean to click that. You can choose the randomized seed. We can do, you know, 21. Because why not? It doesn't really matter. You can do a whole combination of different things. You can see the supported things there. And then you can actually select what you want, like you want randomized blocks, yeah, okay, you already know about this stuff, probably. This is the thing I didn't know about, honestly, until about 3 weeks ago that existed. Then you just click randomize. Then it has to generate, obviously, and then it should start automatically downloading. Then, you know, you have your download. Okay, simple. Go into Minecraft, you have the pack folder open, alright, click on it, open it up, find your downloads from... Well, it's not on the screen, that might help. Find your downloads from however you find your downloads with your computer. You know, take this, copy or cut it. I was about to say the same two words at once, but no. Then you just paste it. You might need WinRAR to extract it. It's what I use, and you just, you know, download that real quick, then extract here. Done. Read me. What do I have to read? Extract the zip files into their respective folder, check the instructions text, yeah, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter. Done. Oh, look, we have them. Then you know they're incompatible. Older version of Minecraft. Yeah, it's made for 16, that's why. So then you just put them over there, you're done. Click done, create world. It should work. It should generate the world. It's going a little slow, but you know, because it's generating with a pack. So, wait, and you wait. This should take less time. Come on, please. Please. No? Yes? Okay. Now I'm gonna punch some leaves. Yeah, I got smooth red sandstone stairs. That I literally just showed you the easy way to do it. The easier way. They're both really easy, but like, that's the easier way to do it. I guess grass doesn't give me anything. That's sad. What does dirt give me? Nothing. Why is everything giving me nothing? Gravel. Nothing. Well, that's fine. That's actually kind of normal for the randomized thing. Anyways, then just get out of the world. And now I can show you the second way to do it. So let's say you already have a pre-generated world that you want to turn into with the data pack, but you don't have it yet, like this Randomizer 16 world. Well, you can just go into, you know, this folder here, open world folder, and then go to data packs. Oh, you just put the data pack there. It's not in downloads anymore, but you would just paste the download thing that you already did, extract it, and that should be fine. Simple as that. And that's how you install, you know, the Sethbling's Randomizer for version 13, 14, 15, and 16. Only 16 works for the first way, but all other 4 versions should work for the second. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Everybody says that, so I might as well say it too. Anyways, thanks for watching.